Hi, I'm garden designer Peter Donegan. The following is a brief video on the installation of natural stone slabs. Curbs should be put in place to restrain the paved area. These curbs should be laid on a bed of strong sand cement mix and haunched, using the same material to ensure stability. Level and compact the sub-base before placing your Clause 804 stone. It is recommended that 100 to 250 millimeters of Clause 804 stone is placed. The Clause 804 stone should be leveled before being heavily compacted using a plate compactor. Care should be taken to ensure that the plate compactor does not impact the curbs, as this may affect their stability. Roadstone's paved bond is now mixed, as advised on the bag, and can be applied to the back of the limestone slab using a paintbrush. A 50mm layer of bedding course is now spread. This can be Roadstone's paved bed bagged material or a sand cement mix. The limestone is laid slightly proud and brought to the correct level using a rubber mallet. On completion of the placing of the limestone surface, the area is soaked using a water hose. This allows for the correct application of the Joint-Tech polymetric jointing sand. This jointing material can be worked into the joints using a brush or by hand. Care should be taken to ensure that all joints are fully filled and compacted to achieve maximum performance from this jointing material. Excess jointing material can then be removed from the surface of the paved area using a soft brush.